Noom weight loss pricing explained what you get for your money. Weight loss apps are everywhere, but Noom stands out because it doesn't just focus on food, it focuses on psychology. So, what do you actually get for your money, and is it worth it? Noom's standard plan costs around per month, though longer commitments bring that down. It starts with a personalized plan built on your goals, habits, and lifestyle. Most people get this wrong. They think Noom is a calorie counter, but it's really a behavioral change program. You get daily lessons rooted in cognitive behavioral therapy, helping you identify the why behind your habits. The app includes food tracking, exercise logging, and color-coded meal guidance. But what makes it unique is the personal coaching. You get one-on-one support and group accountability, which dramatically improves long-term success rates. Noom users lose an average of 7% of their body weight in 6 months, according to internal studies. More importantly, they learn how to sustain those habits for life. So yes, you're paying more than a typical fitness app, but what you're really buying is education, motivation, and a proven method for lasting change.